Characteristics of attention in psychology 2. Shiftability of attention. Attention is flexible, meaning it can be shifted from one stimulus to another as required. This characteristic allows individuals to respond to changing environments or different aspects of the same environment. Shifting attention can occur either voluntarily, when someone chooses to focus on something new, or involuntarily, when attention is captured by an unexpected stimulus. Example: a student working on an assignment may voluntarily shift their attention to answer a question from a classmate. Involuntarily, their attention might shift when they hear a loud noise outside the window. Application: in dynamic environments, such as sports or emergency situations, the ability to quickly shift attention is essential for performance and safety. 5. Concentration and focus. Concentration refers to the depth of attention focused on a specific task or stimulus. It is a narrower, more intense form of attention where mental effort is highly directed towards a single object of focus. Concentration is often necessary for tasks that require careful thought, problem solving, or creativity. Example: a scientist working on an experiment needs to maintain intense concentration to avoid mistakes and ensure accurate results. Application: enhancing concentration is a common goal in educational settings and professional environments where high-level performance is required. 6. Attention span. The attention span refers to the length of time an individual can maintain focus on a task without becoming distracted. The average attention span varies across individuals and is influenced by factors such as age, motivation, and the nature of the task. Example: a child may have a shorter attention span while doing homework compared to an adult engaged in a work project. Application: understanding attention span is important for designing educational programs, work schedules, and media content to match an individual's capacity for sustained focus. 7. Attention and perception. Attention significantly influences perception, the process of interpreting sensory information. By focusing attention on a particular stimulus, individuals can more effectively process and understand that stimulus. This interaction between attention and perception highlights how attention shapes our experience of the world. Example: when reading a book, a person's attention is focused on the words, and their perception is sharpened to interpret the text meaningfully, while other stimuli, such as background noise, are diminished. Application: this characteristic is important in fields such as marketing, where companies use visual or auditory cues to capture consumer attention and shape perception. 8. Involuntary versus voluntary attention. Attention can be either involuntary or voluntary. Involuntary attention occurs automatically in response to external stimuli, often due to sudden or significant changes in the environment. Voluntary attention, on the other hand, is consciously controlled and directed toward a specific task or stimulus. Example: involuntary: a sudden loud noise, such as a car horn, grabs your attention immediately. Example: voluntary: you deliberately choose to focus on a specific task, such as solving a math problem or listening to a lecture. Application: understanding the balance between these two types of attention is vital in designing environments that minimize distractions and foster concentration. 9. Attentional resources and limits. Attention is a limited resource, meaning the brain has a finite capacity for processing information at any given time. When too many stimuli or tasks compete for attention, performance can suffer, leading to errors or cognitive overload. Example: trying to engage in a complex conversation while also completing a work task can overwhelm attentional resources, reducing the quality of both. Application: this concept is crucial in settings like workplaces, where task overload or distractions can hinder productivity and increase stress. Conclusion: attention is a multifaceted cognitive process that plays a vital role in how individuals interact with their surroundings and engage in various mental tasks. Its characteristics, such as selectivity, divisibility, sustainability, and shiftability, illustrate the complexity of how attention operates in daily life. By understanding these characteristics, psychologists can better grasp how humans process information, make decisions, and perform in different environments. Moreover, knowledge of attention has practical applications in education, workplace design, marketing, and numerous other fields where focus and cognitive engagement are essential.